Are you looking into hiring a lawyer, but you want to make sure what the legal fees are going to be? Maybe you just received a legal invoice and no one explained to you what that invoice is. Well, in this video, we're going to be breaking down exactly what is in a legal invoice. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Denny and I'm a practicing lawyer, and in this video, we're going to be explaining and breaking down what's exactly in a legal invoice. So in a legal invoice, there's going to be three parts. The first part is going to be the actual legal fee itself. Legal fees will depend and will vary depending on the type of lawyer and the type of law that you hired the lawyer for. The first one is going to be contingency. What contingency is a set percentage that the lawyer has set, and they only get that percentage if in a situation they have been successful in your case. If not, they get zero. It's why it's called contingency, meaning that they only get paid if they've been successful. So you'll see a lot of times if you watch commercials, personal injury lawyers will always say, if we're not successful, we won't get paid. The second is hourly rate. You'll see this a lot in litigation, lawsuits, or corporate transactions where a lawyer has spent a significant amount of time on your file and they've billed you $300, $400, $500 an hour to be working on your file. And if the lawyer has charged you an hourly rate, you'll see that each item is itemized, meaning that you'll see what they did on your specific matter, whether they went to court, reviewed some documents, had a meeting with you, and on the side, they'll have how many hours they spent along with what their hourly rate is. The third is flat fee, meaning that a lawyer is going to charge you a hard cost, a flat rate cost. No matter how much work they put into it, it's always going to be that specific amount. You'll see this in real estate transactions or wills and estates, where if a lawyer has drafted your will or if they are doing your real estate closing, it generally will be a flat fee. The second part is expenses and disbursements. So expenses and disbursements are third-party services that a law firm has had to use in order to complete your transaction or move your matter forward. In lawsuits or litigation, you'll see that lawyers would have to do court searches, bankruptcy searches on the parties, or they would have to order expert witness reports or transcripts from the court, and those fees are applied to you. So those aren't fees that the lawyer has actually charged you. It's the amount that those third-party services has charged the firm, and they're just applying those fees back to you. In real estate transactions, you'll see disbursements and expenses such as land titles or deed searches, land titles or deed registration, or mortgage registration. So those are fees that the government or the land registry has charged the law firm, and they're just applying those costs back to you. Law firms could also charge office expenses such as photocopy, paper, courier fees, file opening, or other office expense costs. Third is going to be taxes. So because legal services is a service in itself, taxes such as GST is going to apply to the invoice. On top of GST, other provincial or state taxes might apply depending on where you are. So those are also going to get applied as well. And those are the three areas. You got legal fees, disbursements, and taxes. And that encompasses the entire legal bill. Talk to you next time. Bye.